please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Chapter 7, verse 199, of the Holy Quran, advises Muslims to forgive others, advise others to do good, and turn away from foolish people. Every Muslim wants Allah, the Exalted, to forgive them, in this world, and on Judgment Day. One of the ways to achieve this is to forgive other people who have done bad things to you, for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. So if we forgive others, Allah, the Exalted will forgive us. This is mentioned in the Holy Quran, chapter 24, verse 22. A Muslim should always advise others to do good, as long as they will not get hurt by doing so. This also means a Muslim should advise others not to do bad things. It is important to always advise others in a kind way. If you do it in a harsh way, it is less likely the other person will listen to you. Those that do not listen to good advice should be ignored, as they will only cause you trouble. Those that say and do silly things to you should also be ignored, as they only do it because they want you to do something back and get in trouble. You should not be friends with people like this, otherwise you might become one of them. Instead, be friends with good people who help you in worldly things, like studying, and in religious things,